Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hola mi amigos, welcome back to another video. Guys, on today's video, from you to see the title, you know what today's video is about. So in today's video we are indeed going to be speaking about the Barble Dove. So the last update I gave you guys about the Barble Dove was that there were 4 eggs in her nesting box, and I expressed my opinion where I think that the eggs aren't fertile, and I thought that there were 2 females, as in the pair that we had seen together, the 2 brown Barble Dove. I'd figured that they were 2 females. Now guys, to cut story short, you know some mother should to the egg them. Yes, the Barble Dove threw away 2 of the eggs. One fell on the floor, not sure how she did it, but one fell on the floor, so you know that break, and then another one she just rolled it to the corner of her little section. Yes, so right now she is sitting on only 2 eggs, and I am hoping and praying that she selected the correct 2 eggs and hoping that they were indeed her 2 eggs. However guys, aside from her sitting on the 2 eggs, when they leave their nest vacant or unprotected to go and eat, the other Barble Doves in the cage, they go there to check out the scene, then go fast and trouble the people them egg. So in the video we'll see different, I think 2 different Barble Dove went up there, a brown and white one as well as a lightish one, light brown one. So they aren't the parents, and from the video you will see that the father, yes, he is the father because he made that queen sound, and from there you can see that the father always goes to protect his eggs. You realize that? Yeah, look, watch the video. So if father go, each time one new person go up there, the father go up there and him push them out. Either him pick up for them or him use him wing and slap them up. And so what you're not seeing in the video, you know, is after he runs them from his egg, him actually go down to where they are and give them 2 clap out of him wing, and then he goes back to check on his egg to ensure that everything is fine. So first him defend. His first thing to do is defend his egg. Get rid of the person them, the dove them from outer female nesting part. Second thing, I forgot to teach them a lesson. Give them 2 extra clap out of wing. Third thing, I forgot go back at the nest and go check on the egg. So to make sure that no one troubles his egg, you notice what he does? Anyone that goes on the other side, he tends to be in a fight with them. He follows them up and all of that. But if you look on another side, tell me what I want to see over there. So can you tell me? Are you seeing it? Yes guys, on the other side there is 2 eggs. So that means we have another pairing of Barble Doves. Yeah. So I'm thinking that there are 6 birds in the cage, and so a 3 solid pair, that you know, because a 3 different set of egg layer. So I think, what do you think? I think a 3 solid pair. I think I want somebody that makes so much mischief. But yeah guys, the pair is doing a good job. They're very protective of them egg, their unborn bird hatchling. So they are very protective of those eggs, as well as then we got to battle for it. So anytime it is left vacant, it is because either they are eating or they are drinking their water. But other than that, them sit on them egg or them just stay close by. They always ensure that they are close by. So when somebody go up there and you will see that they are able to move around, it simply means that mommy and daddy is actually eating. And so when it is that they look up now and see that someone is in their part, then they go on the defense. So you see him try to sit over the egg, but him decide to him now bother do it. Watch it, let's see. See how him sit there? See him leave there? Him check out and he ensures the egg them good so he can move. Yeah. So now this one I catch her today actually sitting on the egg. So I'm going to make my video show. And she sits quite well. So guys, that's it for me. I'm gonna leave you now. So please remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. Adios. Goodbye.
Sabios.